North Cheyenne Canyon, Colorado. This park is located on the southwest side of Colorado Springs.
We're gonna do St. Mary's Fall Trail number 624 today. It's a 1.25 mile stretch. So we're gonna do it and we're gonna see how we feel afterwards, and we're gonna get some tacos.
North Cheyenne Canyon Park is cut into a 1.5 billion year old granite rock. Whoa!
Oh, howdy! We're here at North Canyon Park and we're gonna have a good time all the time. Man, all I can think about, I know it's gorgeous here, it's just burritos. I can't wait for a burrito. Anyways, whatever, have a good day.
This park provides homes for black bears, mountain lions, mule deer, birds, and more things.
Yes, victory! Victory!
Thanks for watching.